Why do you like the mouse and not the cat?
Cat is
The cat is?
no hat. Yes.
Oh, okay. You
No,
don't like the
mouse.
cat?
No
You
mouse.
don't like? Oh, you like the mouse.
No mouse. I like
Oh, no.
rabbit.
Oh, you like rabbit now. Why do you like rabbit?
A rabbit is
Yes.
on carrot.
Oh, yes. Very good, Ty. The rabbit eats carrots. Good job. How about you, Ty? Do you like eating carrots?
No.
No? Okay, then. It's okay. So now, Ty, very good. You know those things. Let's go to the next one, Ty. You have cup.
I like popcorn.
Okay, what do you like?
I like popcorn.
You like popcorn?
Yes.
One
I
more
like
time. Popcorn.
popcorn.
Okay, you bite your tongue at the end, Ty. Corn. Popcorn. Okay, you like popcorn? Wow. All right then. So now, Ty, you follow teacher. You say cup. Cup. Okay. Ty, can you hear teacher? You're not moving a while ago. All right, one more time, Ty. You say cup.
Cup.
Okay, one more time. Cup.
Cup.
Okay, very good. So, Ty, can you tell teacher what is the color of the cup?
Blue. Green.
Blue? Green? Very good. One more time, you say it's blue and green.
It's a blue and green.
Very good. So, Ty, do you have a cup? Do you have a cup?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, you say yes, I have. Okay, so Ty, how many cups do you have?
1 cup.
Oh, you have 1 cup? Oh, wow. So, Ty, what is the color of your cup?
Blue. Green.
Oh, blue-green? All right,